Hello everyone and welcome back. Something slightly different today. I've bought myself a Ryobi One portable pressure washer and today we're going to check it out and see if it's actually worth the money. Okay, so some of you might be thinking, why am I just randomly reviewing a pressure washer from Ryobi? But there is a very good reason as to why I've picked this up. There's two issues with my workshop. One, the roof is too low. I can't fit a two-poster ramp in here. I can't jack the car right up and stand underneath it. But two, I have no running water. I have no taps, no outside tap, no nothing. Now, this shouldn't make it too much of an issue. And the reason having no outside tap or running water is not an issue with this pressure washer is because, as standard, the kit gives you this suction hose. So you pop that into a bucket of water or a water butt or something like that, and then you attach that to the jet wash and you have yourself some water. But what I also bought at the time of purchase was this Easy Clean bottle adapter. And it's absolutely fantastic because you can literally just use any 2-litre bottle or 3-litre bottle or anything like just a normal regular drinks bottle. You just pop that inside, screw that on, and then you've got yourself an actual hose attachment. So let's have a look at the actual pressure washer itself. Now, when I bought this online, it actually had a special offer, the same price as what the jet wash would have been. However, it did actually come with an 18-volt battery and a charger, which is fantastic because that means I can now basically start having Ryobi tools, and I've already now got a charger and a battery. So this is the main body itself. As you can see, I've actually attached the battery in this already because I did have a quick play. So it's got itself a nice little waterproof box. So like I said, it came with a 4 ampere hour 18-volt lithium battery. Pop that in there, pop the case over it, and now that is completely watertight. Then you add your hose. Now, I did also buy another attachment, so for snow foams or any detergents and stuff, one of these is absolutely ideal. So what I'm going to do is actually I need to jet wash underneath the race car because it's absolutely covered in gearbox fluid. So I'm going to fill that up with some road film degreaser and we're going to try it out. But basically just screw this on here and there you go. There is your pressure washer. And then like I said, obviously with the hose adapter, you just click it in here. So I've actually got a 20-litre water tub over there which I've filled up, so I'm going to be using that. So it's a case of plugging that in, and now I have a fully operational jet wash. Okay, so as you can see, I've now filled up my chemical bottle with some engine degreaser. I've jacked the car up, I've taken the wheels off. So first of all, I'm actually going to give these wheels a quick clean and see how easy this is to use. The one thing I'm going to say straight away is it's extremely heavy, really heavy. So that could be an issue for long use. So let's give it a whirl and see what happens. Okay, so straight away with this attachment on, obviously it's made things a lot lighter and a lot easier to use. So let's get cracking and see how well it performs. Okay, so what's the verdict? Would I recommend this Ryobi pressure washer? Absolutely. I think it's a brilliant bit of kit. The deal with the battery for £110 that was on their website, I think is pretty much bang on price point for something like this. The additional attachments like the detergent bottle I used for the engine degreaser and the 2-litre bottle attachment, again, decently priced. I think they're only about £10 or £11 each. For me, dead handy. Obviously, you guys might not need to use it. The only caveat I will say is if you have got access to an outside tap, stick to your traditional pressure washer. I wouldn't say this is going to replace all pressure washers because it's not. This only produces about 22 bar of spray out the end, whereas even a cheap £30 pressure washer will produce about 110 bar, and it is quite noticeable. The thing for me is I loved the way that the detergent bottle worked. It managed to snow foam engine degreaser. I don't know how it done that, but it looked fantastic and it worked an absolute treat and it really helped me. So in my kind of situation, if you don't have access to an outside tap, absolutely superb piece of kit. If you have got access to a traditional tap outside, probably stick to your normal jet wash. So that's it for me. I am really pleased with this purchase. In this workshop, it is absolutely handy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.